And none of my partner them no gay. A straight man them. Me no there with boy. I be a straight man me taking a man. And what do you? Let me explain him. He must say him just realize say a lot of gay man there Jamaican. No. When you as a gay man, none of the boy them with me no gay. And you know why me say none of them no gay? Me never see myself as a man and them never see me as a man. Them never see me as a man. When me and them attack, me a woman, me always present myself like a girl. Cause me live as a woman at Jamaica and dress up in a woman clothes and walk at Jamaica. Anybody will know me can tell you. Me I explain you. Me live as a woman at Jamaica. Me dress up as a woman at Jamaica. Go anywhere me want, go in a woman clothes and nobody never do me nothing. And everywhere you see me, you see him. I tell you say, that still never make a difference. Him see me as a woman and me see him as my man. You understand? We are straight couple just like Uno. Cause me no consider myself as a man. Me no see myself as a man. Society no recognize me as a man. So me just explain you something. In my case, this a situation here different. That situation here different. You understand me? Me would never see a man there with a transgender and say I'm a gay man. No. You could never say that. Transgender, once you classify yourself as a transgender, you're a woman. You're no longer a man. The meaning of trans means you change from something to something. You understand me? And only people who don't have sense or have education would classify. Because nowadays people, me feel like Jamaica people, them not educated and them something about them something. You no need to educate on yourself about them something. Biologically though, you is not a real woman, but you don't know how me attack. You never born a woman. Biological mean you never born so. A change so. You understand me? Them is still a woman, but not biological woman, rather for say. Transgender is still a woman, but not a biological woman. It's just a thing called identity. You identify as a woman, you're a woman. You understand me? Your body, your brain tell you say you're a woman, you're a woman. Because all of this we see happen are something psychologically. Something we have to do with your psyche. Your body might burn like a man, yes, but you don't feel like one. Your body tell you say you're a woman. You understand me? From your let me tell you no, me not have to hide it, me can't tell you no. From your little picnic, me always feel, me never feel like me born in the right body. Me always feel like a woman. Me never want to do nothing with the boy them I do. Me want to do things with girl I do cause me know say me is a girl. You're crazy with that? You'd never catch me in that. Me go in a public, me have to use female bathroom cause me is a oh. In my case, it's different with me. Me from your picnic, from your go wait me in the basic school, me know say me a woman. My body tell me say me a woman. Me feel like a girl. Me born in a one body, me born a man, and me don't feel like a man not even one day in my life. Me don't feel like a man. Me always feel like a woman. You understand me? How did you know how it feels to be a girl? Me tell my sister grow come up, she wear heels and them something there for her ball. Me say, I want to my ball in the heels. I want to do my ear. I want to look like a dolly for my balls. You understand me? It just come natural to me. Natural. My brain just tell me say, me's a girl. Me don't really have boyfriend when me I go to school. I be a girl. When me there with a girl, them, me feel like me can't feel myself and me I be my real self. Me's a girl like them. You understand me? That's how me feel. Yeah, me do surgery. I may have more surgery for do. Cause me not finish yet. I have more little here and there for do. I say when me never start dress as a girl, me did have low self-esteem. Me never so confident. Me never love myself so much. So me definitely didn't know say something did missing from my life. You see, when me start dress up in a 2015 as a woman, a 9 year now, this make 9 year, and me never turn back. From me start just like a girl, and me look and see it and like what me see. Me say, I saw me I live. This is what me was supposed to be. Me know say me did to be one girl. My mother say when she pregnant, nothing couldn't tell her say no one girl pitney she have. She buy all girl pitney, be a girl pitney clothes she buy, bath, pink bath, everything for me. And she said when baby come, she have to swap with her next girl. Swap the clothes them and swap the bath. Cause the girl who want have boy, she have girl. And my mother want have girl, I have boy. So then swap. Well, me start my transition fully 2020. Me start hormones 2020. No, the middle part of 2019 me start hormones. And 2020 me did start do some laser on my face and something. Then in a 2022, after my birthday, me go do my breast in a December. Me confident as a girl. You know? And me know say me have this from me start take hormone, me realize say me not have no more masculinity in me. Me feminine. Everything about me girly. You understand me? Right now, the guy with me at date, I want straight man. Him never been with a transgender person. Me the first one. Him ever date. And to be honest, him see me as a girl. Him see me as a normal girl. Me and him go together, arms in arms, hug up everything. And him not shame of me, him proud of me. Oh. Me not see the sense. Nowadays, we in a one different century where nobody now go judge you. You understand me? If them even do chat or just one day chat, not for be what you call it. Nowadays me not feel like saying nobody fear judge nobody and them something there. Transgenderism as something where did that a long time ago, but he never did so prevalent like now. You know? And me feel like now when we in our modern days, me feel like if a man there with a transgender, nobody no fear bash him. He must know why I'm there with a transgender. You understand me? Transgender woman like any other else woman. The only thing, maybe we never born a girl, but we still, at the end of the day, woman spelled WOMAN. Woman. Are the same woman. I'ma tell myself, say, listen, if me as a transgender go date somebody, and if him can't love me for me, it don't make no sense. You can't love me for me. It makes no sense. You have to love me as me are. You have to love me as I am. Take me as me am. If you can't take me so, it don't make no sense, me love. In black, a black man me deal with. Yeah, man. Uno say me nice. Uno say me is not a bad person. I just people are paint a picture about me.
Hey guys, what's up beautiful people? It's your girl Nadia Official. First and foremost, I want big up Latina. Big respect, mama. Big up yourself. One thing with you always come out and just start the thing them straight and plain. People, let me know how you feel about what she say in the comment section. You understand me? Let's have a debate about it. Do you guys feel like trans people are real man or real woman? That's the question of the day. Do you feel like any straight man who date a transgender person, you feel like the man they still straight, or you feel like he kind of lean a little bit? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about the whole idea. Right there in the comment section. And you don't know this is a girl, Nadia Official. Always keep things real. Always keep things official. Big up on yourself out there, people. Thanks to each and every one of you who take time out of a busy schedule to to watch a video for me. Thank you for the likes, the shares, the comments, and the DM messages. And to all of my top supporters, them with the bad side on the name. A huge shout out to each and every one of uno, to all of the people them who subscribe, to all of the people them who send me star, and to all of the people them who donate to my GoFundMe. Big respect to each and every one of uno. Uno don't know say gratitude is a must. Humbleness is a must. When I don't know respect due to everybody and respect due to all of the people them who still stay with me on the platform in this trying time and who are being patient. You understand with me and they are wait for me to get back to normal. Big respect to uno. Big up on yourself. Love uno. Always. You understand me? I try to say, you don't know, so the YouTube channel is there and it's called Naked with Nadia. The Facebook is there and it's called Naked with Nadia Unfiltered. The Instagram and the TikTok is called Nadia_official_FR. You do the right thing now. Like up all of the platforms. You don't know, say, I have no place, so you're free to comment whatever you want to comment. No comment has ever been deleted, but keep it respectful. And people want to take this time out to send all my love, all my support to all of the island them and all of the countries them that have been affected by Hurricane Beryl. I want to say I am so sorry by what I'm seeing on the media, all the photographs, everything. And me just hope and pray that everybody can rebuild. But them say once there is life, there is hope. So I want to make sure say, you know, say, listen me. It's rough out there, but take on a time, one block, one cement, and patch up and just carry on with life. Because once there's life, there's what? Hope. Big up on yourself out there, people. Peace. I'm out. Bye.